Hello everyone, and here's the last template. I was gonna do another template, but I just remembered about it's very, very similar to marijuana. And I'm just like, yeah, YouTube's gonna demonetize me too. Like, like as they say, all these good ideas, and it's just kind of just like, because like it depends on the type of country. Like for example, like in the Netherlands, obviously it's okay in certain parts of Europe to a certain degree. Yeah, it's okay to have marijuana, all this type of stuff. But now let's say you go into like in certain Asian countries too, like they don't. It's like it's legal there. Like you're not gonna get arrested, and obviously it's also legal in the 51st state. But and then obviously in other certain states like Colorado and all that. And as much as I do, people like to criticize California because it really is a fucking shithole, and Oregon, like it's legal there. Like it's just like a lot of places in America. So I think it's like 35 or 40. I forget what it is. Like 30 to 40 out of 51 out of the 51 states. And then that's not, and I'm not too sure if that includes all the territories like Puerto Rico and Guam and all that type of stuff. But like, so in total, like we already have like 55, 56 states, if you want to include the territories too. But like, now you're thinking, okay, what about everything else? Like, is it legal? Is it not legal? I don't know. And then like other countries as well. It's not just theirs. It's like some other, like, some Asian countries are okay with it. Some Asian countries are not okay with it. Like, it's just like, then you have all that like complexity of like ad revenue and like all that type of stuff. And like obviously it's gonna do well, but like then you're thinking to myself, will it be banned? Like in like other places, like that's the problem, because like it's all about reach and then obviously inspiring other people to do it. But like now let's say that person wants to watch it, but now like it's banned in their country. Oh, but you can use the VPN, but yeah, that too, but like that's not the point. So there's that. But like, well, again, maybe I'll see, maybe who knows, maybe in a couple of months they'll be more lenient and maybe the light bulb will finally go off in people's fucking heads, with a lot of stuff changing around. Maybe like, okay, maybe we can just, like in the rest of the states and other countries, you know what, fuck it, we'll just legalize marijuana. It does no harm, it hasn't killed anyone, so like fuck it, let's just legalize it, and there we go. Then I'll do those last two. But like it can really like make a difference in my opinion. But hey, again, aside from common sense and, as I say, medical plants never killing anyone, let's get into this last template. So we got we got a luxury jewelry template. I messaged another place, I think it was, I forget where it was, I think it's here in America, and it's a luxury jewelry template, and I messaged them some stuff to see, never got back to me. It's in the Mediterranean, so as I say, they never got back to me. Again, what do you expect? It's the Mediterranean. But okay, so we got some luxury jewelry stuff. Obviously, what's your brand name? What's your tagline? What's your oh wow, let's go back to the most important thing on the internet today. We're doing this, yes. Oh wow, what's that? What's your social media? Are you an influencer? Oh. Exactly. Funny how on all these templates, they always mention this, right? I can keep on saying. Not even keep on saying, even the damn old templates are even telling me. If you're not on the internet, you don't exist. You're not important. You are basically nobody. Period. Like, there's no even arguing this. It's the template itself is even telling you. Like, even ChatGPT is telling you it doesn't matter for ChatGPT, all these templates that you make. If you're not on the internet, social media, doesn't matter what social media it might be. It doesn't matter if you're on X, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, I don't know what it is anymore. Instagram, Reddit, whatever it could be. You don't exist. You are basically a tree that you walk past every day, and it's just part of the aesthetic. So there's that. So about us, obviously, do a good story. So something like we've been here since the Renaissance time, or we're master jewelers. It's been since Da Vinci and all that type of stuff, and like those like long histories about like royalty and everything. So obviously here, around highlighting the craft, elegance, and exclusivity of luxury jewelry and accessories. So collection would be exquisite designs crafted with premium materials, so like rubies and diamonds and all that type of stuff, emeralds, bracelets, fancy elegance in every piece, stuff like Dior and everything, fancy earrings for women, like, high-end like Tom Ford type of stuff, Dolce Gabbana, stuff like that. What are your rings symbolizing love, luxury, and prestige, like, secret order type of stuff, all that. Watches, like, do you have Guess? Do you have Rolex? Do you have all that type of fancy type of stuff? What are handbags, accessories of handbags, and all that type of stuff. High quality material. Look at that. Diamonds, gold, platinum, rubies. Exactly. Exclusive designs, premium quality, sourced, elegant source materials, great customer service. No problem, Mr. Such and such, or Mrs. Such and such. We'll give you that back. Oh, I see a scratch. You said, oh, no problem. You're on the VIP program, and you get the idea. Customization, you can mix and match certain things. Obviously with instructions how to maintain the luxury and elegance of stuff, and obviously testimonials. Hi, my name's Brad Pitt. I love shopping at such and such, or my name's Angelina Jolie, or my name is, you get the idea. And obviously what's your contact if you want to go into the store, or if not, you can just ship it online. Phone number, no one really uses it unless you're in the Mediterranean. What's your email, what's your website, and again, for the second time, social media links. Please follow us on X, Instagram, all that type of stuff. Whole point is that you're not on the internet, you don't exist. You're no one. You don't even have a business. You can have a business, but if it's not on the internet, you don't have a business because it's not on the internet and no one knows about it. So yeah, you can do all these, but like keep on saying on all these templates, like all this type of work would take, before the internet, would take at least a year or more. You can do this in 2 hours. That's it, 2 hours, maybe less, depending on if you want something simple or something more complex. But now let's say you want something more complex. Okay, maybe 3 or 4 hours. That's not too bad. So, but still, 3 or 4 hours for something a little bit more complex versus a year or more. Like, come on. Like that can't be beat, man. Like that's insane. Like for a year's, all that type of stuff done in 4 hours, 2 to 4 hours. Come on, man. That's that's amazing. And then all you got to do is just post your stuff, add some and then does all the tags and everything. That's it. You want a thumbnail that can generate that too. Like that's it. You want a marketing plan, it can generate that too. Like I did a video with the ads campaign. Like you can generate all that. Like you got nothing to worry about. So there's that. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. And as always, Mr. Z out.